In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound. Now scroll down again and tap on Vibrate Vocals. Then apply the best option for your incoming calls by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so you have to click on it and go back. Then tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when connected to enable or disable haptic feedback when your call is connected. When you're ready, choose Advanced. Then scroll all the way down and tap on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration and Touch Vibration to turn them on or off. Last but not least, tap on Emergency Dialing Signal and set up vibrations by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!